a conversation between two Barbies, Lara and Ruby. Hi Ruby, how are you? I'm fine, Lara. Do you know the third wave of COVID-19 virus is spreading so fast? Are you not worried? No, I'm not worried because my parents and my dadu-dadi have already got it. Why is vaccines necessary? COVID-19 vaccines teach us our body to identify, make antibodies and fight against COVID-19 virus. It is our only permanent protection. Oh, but I heard many people are not taking it. Unfortunately, there's a lot of misunderstanding. We have to tell everybody to take vaccines as soon as possible. Oh, is it safe? Ruby, this is not your first vaccine. What do you mean? When we were young, our parents got us vaccines like polio, BCG, etc. This is just not a vaccine like that. Oh, are there any side effects? No, it's totally safe. My dadu got a little fever and body pain, but he recovered in a couple of days. It's totally safe. Remember guys, more people taking vaccine means more chances of getting lives back to normal. Then we can go to school, we can play, we can watch movies, we can make birthday parties, we can travel nicely and everything will be back to normal like before. Ruby understood and me too. So please, everyone go and get your vaccines today.